Let's have a debate. Karl Blythe makes the case for a face-off with Portia Simpson Miller for the PNP presidency. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the opposition on its readiness for parish council polls.
Steertown residents on how the jet ski ban affected their area.
Banana farmers see a ray of hope.
In the business day, the latest on the net international reserves.
And we also have a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you think a debate for the PNP presidency is necessary?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.